how you gonna be scared to drink something you just watched that was made? But you can drink the stuff that's in the store. Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have my daughter with me. So
hi.
Say hi. So we're going to be making some almond milk, just some straight clean almond milk. We drink almond milk with everything, but what I noticed in drinking almond milk, there's so many different things in almond milk, so it's not exactly organic. Even though we know almond milk is good for you, it's your choice. You can choose to drink whatever you want. But for me, I wanted to try something a little bit more healthier without all of the added sugar and all of the preservatives and all of the junk, okay? So you'll see little stuff flying here and there that you could possibly find in almond milk that's not really natural. So what we have here is, okay, I'm going to, some almonds, which I soaked overnight. My almonds. And they swelled up a little bit here. We're going to drain them off. So you get your good bag of almonds, all like natural almonds if you can. You sit them over there. We're going to be using some dates, pitted dates. We're going to be using 3 pitted dates because I like my stuff a little sweet. You don't have to have any sweetener in it if you don't want to. But for me, I'm going to add some sweetener to it. Okay, so we're going to be using some dates. We're going to be using a little bit of vanilla extract because vanilla extract gives it that vanilla good flavor. I love vanilla almond milk. I don't normally get just the regular. I normally get the vanilla. And we're going to be using a little cinnamon. That's something that you never really get in almond milk. But I like cinnamon in everything. It's tasty.
It's spicy to me.
It's a little tasty. We're going to shoot like a little pinch in there. You're going to need yourself a jar. Most people use filtered water, but I'm going to be using my spring water that I have here, okay? It probably should be alkaline, but okay. We have here a nice cheesecloth bag. We're going to be using this bag to, of course, milk out our almonds, all right? And let's just get started, guys. Of course, you need a high-powered blender. So I have my Vitamix here, so let me drain these off, and then we're going to get started, okay? So it's just 1 cup of almond, okay, soaked overnight.
Don't mind me, I'm just observing. I'm observing.
Yeah, she wants to watch. So when it's time for her to make some things of her own, she can just go ahead and do it. Yeah. But this is this is a healthier choice for you. The almonds in there. And I mean, it's just overall good for your body, okay? And if you're trying to lose weight and everything, this is a healthy alternative, okay? Because you can get almond milk. Almond milk is pretty low in calories anyway. This is like 80 calories maybe, but I think this is more like maybe 30 or something like that. And like I said, it's much more healthier because you know exactly what's going in it. Okay, so you can make your almond milk consistency as watery as you want, or you can make it as thick and creamy as you want. So I'm going to be using, let's see, this right here. That's 2. I'm going to be using 3 cups. So it's going to be this 1 bottle here and a little bit more. Okay. So we're doing 3 cups. Is what we're going to do. Now, mind you, this almond milk is going to last in the refrigerator for you anywhere between 3 to 4 days because it's all natural, it's organic. Like I said, it has no preservatives in it. Okay? Now, this is going to give us our sweeteners. These pitted dates. Make sure they're pitted, okay?
They smell good.
Yeah, make sure they're pitted. All right, we're going to pour this in here. we're going to sit this here because we're going to put our milk back into here. Okay, and then we're going to eventually transfer it in here. But we're going to be drinking this milk today with some of this cereal that I have right here, which is the best cereal ever. I put Selena onto it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gluten-free and it's healthy. I have learned that I have to have gluten-free things to put in my body because my stomach kept bloating, but see now my stomach is, yes, that's right. Along with the working out. All right, anyway, guys, so let me put some vanilla extract in here for you guys. I didn't get a teaspoon out. I should have. My spoons are clean, so I can just grab one. Teaspoon. Okay, I should be using my little measuring teaspoon, but for me, why can't I open this? All right. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's it. Just 1 teaspoon. Okay. And we're going to sprinkle some cinnamon in here. I have some cinnamon that's open. Wait a minute. Because I use cinnamon on everything. I do.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. As you can see, it's almost gone, but this is my cinnamon. Just a sprinkle. And that's it. And we're going to put the top on here. And we're getting ready to get down to business. This is supposed to blend for at least like a minute or so. So, okay, guys. So now we're going to pour this into this nice cheesecloth. And we're going to milk out this wonderful, wonderful almond milk. Make sure your hands are clean. Hold on for a second. I'm going to use gloves because I'm not going to be the only one that's drinking this. She's going to be drinking this too. So just give me 1 second. 1 hot second.
It looks like a smoothie.
Nice and creamy, right?
Yeah, it don't look like that. Like it looks like milk, but like it looks like thick.
Yeah, so you can make it whatever consistency you want.
Yeah.
So this one is like a little creamier. Do you want it a little thinner or what?
No, it's
You sure?
Yeah.
Smells good.
It smells good, yeah.
Smells good. Now, we're going to pour this out in here. Pour it right into your bag. Now, we're going to get some pulp from this. And the pulp that you get from the almonds, you can use actually in making almond flour. You can use it in like making cookies and all of that stuff. Now let's just milk this straight on out. It's nice and warm. So now we have to milk it. Just like you milking a cow.
Right here. Just like that.
Are you scared? Why is it Auntie Shantae's coming?
The smell.
It's a penis.
So you're going to have to use your hands. Now, I turned my bag inside out because I didn't want all of the pulp to get stuck inside of the creases and crevices of the bag. So squeeze it really good. And I'm doing it like slow because I don't want it to fall all over the counter. But you see the froth? It's froth on the top of it. So I'm trying to make the bag skinny is what I'm trying to do so that I could go down on it like this so that it's still inside. And remember, you got to use a little hand power here because, believe me, it's hard to squeeze out all of the milk. I'm trying to get all of the milk out. I have strong hands, so I can pretty much get a lot of the milk out. And make sure when you purchase your bags that you clean your bags. I clean my bag really good before I even used it. And you can set this in the refrigerator to get cold. And you have some nice cold almond milk. Okay, guys. Now let me show you what's inside. This is the pulp that's on the inside. Can you see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. That's the pulp that's on the inside. I'm going to get a bowl, actually a plate, and put it on a plate so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to take it out. And I'm not going to throw mine away because it's a lot of nutrients in this, and you can use this for so much. Selena says it looks like Play-Doh. But it's almonds. That's all it is. It's almond. It's ground up almonds.
Yeah, actually, like you can make almond butter out of it.
You probably could.
That's what it looked like.
Actually, we should try that. That would be amazing. How about that? Almond butter.
It sounds good.
Some maple syrup on the inside and
almond butter and peanut butter. Whew.
So this is what I'm talking about. Okay, guys? So we're going to pour our almond milk into this nice mason jar here. There you have it.
Ooh.
Oh, that right there, that out of there. Almond milk. That's your almond milk. Okay? So, let me get a cup. I'll be right back. Cup for you, cup for me. Okay? And we're going to taste it.
I just want a little bit of it.
That's what I'm going to give you. She's scared. She want a little bit. How you going to be scared to drink something you just watched that was made? But you can drink the stuff that's in the store.
It might taste better than the store.
It's good.
And it do taste better than the store.
They got the little cinnamon hint to it. The vanilla.
Yeah, it tastes better than the store.
It's nice and creamy. Oh, this tastes really good.
Yeah, it tastes better than the store. It tastes like if it was frozen, it would taste like ice cream.
Yeah, it does.
Or like an eggnog. It tastes good.
Okay. That's all I have for you today, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if there's something that you would like to see me do, remember to drop it down into the comment box. And I will oblige. I will try it for you guys. Okay, guys, that is all I have for you today. Have a blessed day. All right, guys. Bye.